Duit YouTube, comes the tattoo. In my kitchen again, as you can probably see. Place looks like a Chinese laundry hit. I uprooted all my clothes that I've been wearing on my hikes, etc. So I had to get everything out. Anyway, I'm just making some tea for myself. I started reading the Hunger Games books, so they're actually, yeah, I'm up to chapter 2 now on the first book, so yeah, we'll see what happens. It's I can still picture the trailers that I've seen, so I'm kind of like, okay, we're there now. This is what they were doing, etc., etc. But that kind of annoyed me when I was reading the Harry Potter books. Films came out, saw the film, and it's like, shit, can't imagine the book anymore. Anyway, so yeah, I thought it occurred to me about maybe doing a cooking video. I like to make desserts, granola, cookies, various bits and pieces. I could do a main course meal or a soup or something. If you want to see any of that, put comments below. Other than that, there's not much else. The review I did for Serving in Silence, the last book I read, came to 18 minutes, and that's over my upload limit, so I'll try and edit it into a two-parter. But I don't know, if you want to see it as well, put a comment below and let me know. I'll find a link. I have a link for the movie as well that's still active, but the resolution is kind of shit on it. It's like 240 resolution, but it's still a good film and it's worth watching, you know. Other than that, don't know what else to say. It's a nice day. It's still cold. I'm going climbing in Trinity, so hopefully I'm going to do a Trinity video of the routes that I like to do in Trinity and a few routes that I've never done before. I was in Gravity yesterday with my friends Thomas and Glenn, or Pickles and T-Doe. They're on YouTube as well. I'll put links to their channels below so you can have a look at them. They all do parkour as well, and a little bit of free running and tricking, etc. Please don't ask me to get into the differences. It's such a philosophical topic. Anyway, so that's that. I'll work on that. They're changing the routes in Gravity as well before the next Irish Bouldering League, so I might try and get another Gravity video done over the transition. They're changing all the blues. They've already done the reds. They want to change the blues and the pinks, and I think they're changing the flag routes as well. I'm not sure, but that's all going to be happening over the next week or so. So I'll try and get another Gravity video done. If you want to see that as well, or if you have any tips and suggestions, please put them in the comment box below. That's that. Shout out to everyone. Hello, thank you. I'll try and keep more videos coming, try and make them more interesting. Shout out to Straight Edge Irish. Cool camera, cool editing. Loving your work. Can't wait to see more, and a belated happy birthday. So that's it. Slán go fóill, everyone. Agus gurb maith of it. Quick PS. Sugar or honey in your tea? You decide, let me know. Personally, I'm going with honey.